Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to master Discord audit logs for better moderation control. Yeah, if you want to track every action in your server and know exactly who did what, audit logs are one of the most powerful tools you can use because, honestly, they help you stay in control even when things go wrong. So first, go to your server settings and open the audit log section. Here, you'll see a detailed list of actions like deleted messages, role changes, bans, kicks, and channel updates. Uh, each entry shows who performed the action and when it happened. Next, use filters to find specific actions. Yeah, you can quickly check things like who deleted a channel or who changed permissions, which makes troubleshooting much easier. After that, monitor suspicious activity. If you notice unusual role changes or multiple bans in a short time, it could be a sign of abuse or a compromised account, so act quickly when you see these patterns. Also, limit access to audit logs. Yeah, only trusted admins should be able to view them because they contain sensitive information about your server activity. And yeah, combine audit logs with moderation bots. So bots can alert you in real time when important actions happen, giving you faster response time. Finally, review your logs regularly. Most of the time, staying proactive helps prevent bigger issues before they escalate. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.